Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about whey protein, good or bad. Whey protein is one of the most popular supplements on the planet. But does too much whey protein cause side effects? Hello friends, welcome to Health Fit Nutrition. This is me Tanya Srivastav, and in today's video I am going to focus on the evidence-based review of whey protein safety and side effects. There is always some controversy surrounding whey protein safety. Some claim that too much whey protein can also damage and kidney, liver and also cause osteoporosis. Let's first know what is whey protein. Whey protein is a popular fitness and dietary supplement. It is made from whey. Whey is basically the liquid that separates from milk during the cheese making process. The whey is then filtered, refined and spray dried into whey protein powder. There are basically three main types of whey protein, which is whey protein concentrate, whey protein isolate and whey protein hydroxylate. Whey protein is a popular choice among athletes, fitness enthusiasts and people who wants to build muscle or lose weight. Studies show that it can help you recover from exercise, build muscle and strength and even lose weight by reducing your appetite and boosting your metabolism. Whey protein is a complete source of protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids. Your body cannot make essential amino acids, so it's important to get enough of them from your diet. Some people have problem digesting the whey protein and experience symptoms such as bloating, gas, stomach cramps and diarrhea. But most of these side effects are related to lactose intolerance. Lactose is the main carbohydrate in whey protein. People who are lactose intolerant, they don't produce enough of the enzyme lactase, which your body needs to digest the lactose. If you experience uncomfortable symptoms, try switching to whey protein isolate powder or a non-dairy protein powder. Some people may be allergic to whey protein. Those who are allergic to cow's milk may also be allergic to whey protein. Nevertheless, cow's milk allergies are very rare in adults. The next question was, can it cause constipation and nutritional deficiencies? Constipation is not a normal side effect of whey protein. Constipation is more likely caused when people eat few fruits and vegetables in favor of whey protein, especially when they are on a low carbohydrate diet. If you suspect that whey protein makes you constipated, check whether you are eating enough fruits and vegetables. Eating a balanced diet can help counter these effects. Can whey protein damage your kidneys? There is no evidence that too much protein can damage the kidneys in healthy people. However, studies show that high protein diet in those people with kidney disease may further damage the kidneys. Can it damage your liver? There is no evidence that too much protein can damage the liver in healthy people. People with liver disease should always check before consuming any type of supplements. Can whey protein cause osteoporosis? There is no evidence that whey protein can cause osteoporosis. In fact, whey protein may help prevent the disease. How much should you take? Whey protein is generally safe and can be consumed by many people without side effects. A commonly suggested dose is generally 1 to 2 scoops, which is 25 to 50 grams per day, but it's recommended that consuming more than this is unlikely to offer more benefits, especially if you already eat enough protein. If you experience uncomfortable symptoms like bloating, gas, cramp, diarrhea after taking whey protein, try switching to other protein-rich natural foods instead. So the end note to this video is basically that whey protein is an exceptionally healthy way to add more protein to your diet. It's a quality protein source that is absorbed and utilized efficiently by the human body. So all these whey protein supplements are really good for those people who are going to the gym and who are engaged in high intensity physical activity or resistance training, CrossFit exercises. If you are more of sedentary, then you can get your protein requirement fulfilled by the normal diet that you follow. And basically you don't need any kind of high protein, whey protein supplement, because a normal person who is not really engaged into high intensity workouts, for him the protein requirement basically is between 0.8 to 1 gram per kg body weight, which can easily be met by the natural animal foods, milk and milk products in our diet. So although these supplements haven't been completely proved to be harmful for our health. But yeah, I personally don't recommend these supplements because most of us do either yoga or very light exercise in our daily routine. So even if you are a vegetarian, you can include milk and milk products, nuts and seeds, protein, soya beans, paneer, all these things in your diet, and you can easily get your daily protein requirement. In the description down below, I have also added some studies on whey protein. If you are interested, you can just take a look. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel, and please share it with your friends.